Hey everybody, it's Joel Trey back again with Tim Kelly from Apache Solutions. We're back here for another episode of our Cold Drill Friday. Today we're going to be shooting what drill, Tim?
All right, so today we're going to be shooting the 3-2-1 drill. This was developed by Todd Green, and so it's a measurement of your speed and accuracy, and your ability to kind of control your pace along the way. So this drill can be done at 3, 5, or 7 yards. I would highly advise you to start at 3 yards, especially with the par time being 4 seconds and all. It's a tough drill. I've shot it, and it's definitely doable, but you've really got to be on your game. So it's going to be tough for a cold drill, but I think it'll be all right. So you got 5 repetitions of 6 rounds. So he's going to start off at 3 yards. He's going to fire 3 rounds into the 3x5 index card, and then 2 rounds into the 2-inch circle, 1 round into the 1-inch square. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right there, the 1-inch square. So he's got to have, as Tom Givens would say, quickly, carefully, precisely. That's it, man.
Cool, let's do it.
All right. All right, Trey Joel, you ready?
Yes, sir.
You understand the course of fire?
Yes, sir.
All right, here we go. Stand by. Ooh, drop that last one. 4:06.
Par time 4.
Par time is 4. All right. Try again. Here we go. Stand by. .371 made the par time, dropped 2 shots. Ready?
Yep.
Stand by. .369. You started to transition on the way. Like you shot the circle once, and started transition and come back.
In my head, I was like, one shot hit good, and I was like, oh wait a minute, 2. I kind of like forgot the second shot for a split second.
Pause for just for a split second. Make that. You can make that last shot. Got to get one in there.
Yeah, no, I definitely can. I think I'm pushing for time, and I'm just like, bang, shoot.
Yeah.
I'm driving it down a little bit.
You're making the par time just fine. Your splits are wicked quick. 158 on your draw from the holster, though.
I feel like I'm going to B of the B.
Yep. Here we go. Stand by. Hey, 329. That was fast, dude. But you dropped.
I missed
2.
2.
Yep.
Dang, I need a clean run, Tim.
Yeah. Last one. The first round target on that one was 145. All right, ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Stand by. Oh, dropped his last one. 375.
Is that right?
Man. 159 on your first off in the holster. Good shooting, dude.
Thanks, man. I'll run it clean one of these days. Whew! That's hot.
All right, guys, so there you have it. That's the 3-2-1 drill. Once again, that was developed by Todd Green. You can find that on pistoltraining.com. Altogether, I think you did a really good job on it. Trying to find that good balance of speed and accuracy, it's definitely a real challenge. And I'd say doing it at 3 and then getting it honed down at 3 yards and then trying to move back to 5 and then back to 7, man, that would be a real trial at 7 yards, especially in this little 1-inch square, and still trying to make that 4-second par time. That'd be pretty difficult. But how do you think you did, man?
Pretty good. I think I used gross. I know I used gross eye pictures for most of it. So I think a lot of improvement can come from dry fire and figuring out where my dot is, because I'm so new to a dot. That'll help me with you know, not relying on growth for something that small, because you can't use growth for something
Sure.
that small.
Right.
But I think that was a lot of fun. It frustrated me enough that I'm gonna come back to it and be able to clean it.
Fantastic. All right, man. Well, that's all I got.
All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Special thanks to Rodney White. Rodney. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And special thanks to Rodney White for recommending this drill. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'll catch you again next week.
Thanks, guys, and we look forward to seeing you out here.